Hi guys and welcome to my new video. In today's video we're gonna see how you can add images to your HTML file. So it's actually very easy and very simple. The first thing we're gonna do is of course find a picture that we want to add inside of our HTML file or HTML website, whatever. So I'm gonna search dog PNG, which is gonna give us a picture of a dog. Go to images and we're gonna click, let's say, on this one. Right click on that and you're gonna save this photo inside a folder where the HTML file is. So my HTML file is here. So in a folder named HTML I already have a picture, but we're gonna do another one. So save image as, and then we're gonna save it here. We're gonna just name it dog, and that's it. So we have a picture of our dog inside the HTML folder and our HTML file. So you're gonna go to your HTML file and you're gonna edit it. So I have a simple code here, and what you're gonna do is inside the body you're gonna type emg search quotes and the name of the file that picture is. So mine is dog dot, and let's say if it's png, all right, it's png. Yours might be jpeg, jp, or I don't know, any kind of file, but mine is png. So after that you're gonna type class and we're gonna go with alter image, and after that you're gonna type alt and three dots. Close that off and save it. So after we get into our HTML file, we're gonna get a huge photo of our dog. As you can see, it works, and I hope you like this video. I hope you are gonna watch the rest of my videos. See you soon. Bye.